Guys, I just got a package from Sephora. I was not planning on filming this today, but welcome to my channel. Today, I'm going to be opening up a order that I got from Sephora. It's just one thing in there. I have been hearing a lot about this perfume. I haven't watched any videos on this fragrance, but I did see a YouTube video of Avril Loves Makeup, which I have told you guys that anytime she posts a video on either a haul or perfumes or makeup, I'm gonna want to shop. She talked about this fragrance and I was already curious about it, but I have skipped out on it because I thought I was not going to like it. And then she said the magic words. She said, if you like Juliet Has a Gun, Not a Perfume, you will like this fragrance. And that was it. Eso es lo único que ella tenía que decir. So I'm just gonna go ahead and open this real quick because I haven't not even opened the box. As soon as I saw this come back in stock, I immediately ordered it because it had been out of stock for a while. And here it is. Oh, this is a nice like blue color. All right, so for today's video, I'm going to pretty much be unboxing this Merit fragrance and it's called Retrospect. So if you're interested in my first reactions on smelling this fragrance, just continue to watch. I got the fragrance out of the box. I also did get a sample of a pharmacy cleanser and a K-Skin face lotion. So yeah, I wasn't planning on buying this or anything until I heard Avril Loves Makeup. So when I heard her say that this one is great if you love Not a Perfume, and then I think I saw a few other things on Fragrantica, so that's what made me want to pick this up. So here is the packaging and you get a box inside of a box. Really pretty though. Ooh, that is so cute. So here is the bottle. The presentation of this perfume, beautiful. It is a tiny little bottle though. I thought it was gonna be a little bigger, but it's so cute though. I love this bottle. Oh, it fits so nice on your hand. Okay, so the main accords for this fragrance are musky, powdery, iris, floral, fresh, fruity, white floral, sweet, earthy, and I can never say that. Is it aldehydic? Let's take a look at the notes. See, the reason why I didn't pick this up was because of the aldehydes, because I did see that in the top notes and it scared me. So the top notes are pear and ambrette, which are my favorite, and bergamot. Love that. And then the aldehydes are at the top. The middle, we have orris, jasmine, violet, rose, and rosemary. Rosemary is very unique. And then the base notes are musk, moss, and vanilla. When you go to this perfume, reminds me of, there is Glossier You. I see Pear Ink from Juliet Has a Gun. So let's go ahead and give it a spray. And this video is not going to be too long because this is the first time that I ever smell this perfume. So I'm not going to be able to give you an in-depth review. Just kind of give you like my first impressions. Ooh, that cap is on there real tight. I'm so excited. So many things went through my head just now. It is giving me kind of like lipsticky vibes. It is so not what I was expecting, but then it's so pretty. I feel like I can kind of smell Jo Malone's Scarlet Poppy or like Killian's Rolling in Love, like that powdery lipsticky type of scent for sure. Did we say if there was anything in here? I already forgot the notes, but orris. Okay, it's probably the orris and the ambrette together. That's giving me kind of like that scent because I have smelled that before. And I get the vanilla a lot. I was not expecting to pick up the vanilla. So it's kind of like, imagine like a see-through vanilla, if that makes any sense. So if you have like a regular cupcake vanilla that's thick, that's gourmand, that's sweet, that's like dense, and then picture this one being like, you still get the sweetness of the vanilla, you're still getting kind of like that creaminess, but it's a little more see-through, it's a little bit more airy, it's not as dense or thick, even though there is like a roundness to it and there is like a smooth feeling to this perfume. It feels very beautiful. It's very feminine. It's very girly in like a very modest way, like a very reserved. I can totally see someone like at work or you're wearing like a suit. It's not serious or anything, but it's not sexy. It's not like that type of perfume. It's more like beautiful woman, like just very beautiful, feminine, smooth, creamy, a little powdery, musky. And there is no iris in here. Maybe it's the violet. I don't know how close those notes are, but the main accords does have iris. And I think that's where I'm getting that lipsticky vibe from. And there is a sweetness in here. The aldehydes are not harsh at all. This is not like laundry or too sharp at all. It is very smooth, very creamy, very round, perfect for bedtime, perfect for everyday wear, perfect for all year round. It is a scent that you can literally just wear anywhere, and it's just beautiful, feminine, powdery, and it's just really pleasant. Like, it's just something that smells really, really good. Musky, powdery. I really, really like it. I'm so happy that I added this to my collection. So yeah, those are like the first impression words that I would use are soft, delicate, girl next door, rounded out, smooth, creamy. It's a little sweet, feminine for sure. What I'm getting from this, almost like romantic. It's just very beautiful. There's nothing about this that's like hot or sexy or anything like that. Like, I wouldn't go to this for that. This is more just beautiful, delicate, bedtime, being at home, wearing this on a winter day, and you just want to feel girly and pretty. But you can also reach for this year round. So I think I'm really gonna enjoy this one. As my first impression, I'll give it like a 7.5 out of 10. I like it a lot, but I have decluttered fragrances that are similar to this, but this one does not feel as thick as Scarlet Poppy, because Scarlet Poppy started feeling a little too thick for me. This one feels a little more casual and wearable. So I'm gonna leave you guys with that. It's just gonna be like an extra video that I filmed, not too long or anything, but I want to hear your thoughts. I want to see if any of you guys tried it out. I think I had a few requests to review this fragrance as well, so I'm gonna keep on trying it out. I'm gonna keep testing it, and then once I get a good feel for it, I will definitely be updating you guys, and I'll probably even add it to my next tray so that we can talk about it some more. So with that said, that's going to be it for me today. Let me know if you have tried this fragrance, how you feel about it, what are your thoughts. I can't wait to chat with you. Give this video a big thumbs up if you enjoyed it. Subscribe if you haven't subscribed, and I will see you guys in my next video. Ooh, la, la.